Chinatown have a lot of history. And this one of the oldest alley. You see how narrow this street? This one is called the Ross Alley. It's one of Chinatown's busiest alleyway, home of a mix of residents and business reflecting the everyday life and cultural tradition of the neighborhood. Tourists observe fortune cookie plays, folded by hand, and all of these wonderful things. This is very, very full of history. Look at that area. And then you got the little church, you got people, you got doctors, you got fortune cookie place, you got all kind of things. People actually live up there. You can see they're drying their clothes. Yeah, this is a living, Chinatown is a living community. People actually live here. Okay, it's not like a typical tourist community. This is, look at it. This is the 24 square block of Chinatown. We are right here, okay? So this is Grand Avenue, Pacific, and this is Mason, Washington, and Power. So these are all 24 different blocks. Chinatown, still about 15,000 people living here.
Wow.
Yes. Now I'm going to find a place that we can look for fortune. And this wonderful fortune cookie place called Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Company. They have been around for a long, long time. And I'm looking for my good friend Kevin. I'm bringing you a famous chef. This is my hero, Chef Hero, my hero. Kevin, the master of fortune cookie. Today, Chef Hero is looking for his fortune. And I want you to pick the right fortune for my good friend, my hero, Chef Hero.
Yes, sir.
And I think Chef Hero also is a master. He's a sushi master, but I do not believe he's a fortune cookie master. Maybe you can give him a little lesson of how to make fortune cookie. How's that sound?
I love sushi.
You love sushi. You love cookie.
Yes.
You love sushi. Let's go for it. Let's exchange.
Let's go.
Let us show Chef Hero how to make a wonderful. Look at all the fortune cookies. Yeah, look at this guy.
Did I get the rice burning?
Yeah, look at this. That's him.
Coming
Yeah, look at that. And then this is all the. Hey, look at that guy.
Come on, yeah.
Look at that guy. Right here, right on the top, and then also right here with the BBC. Rick Stein. Okay. And
Gordon Ramsay, right here. Look.
Yeah, Gordon Ramsay. You know, people coming. Yeah, Gordon Ramsay right here.
Oh.
People from all over the world.
Wow.
Famous basketball player, politicians. Everybody come over here. They have small fortune like this, smaller fortune. This. Oh, Kevin, explain why the different color.
This is strawberry.
Yep.
Organic matcha.
Yeah.
Matcha tea, and regular.
Regular. So it's the, and then look at that. This is for you. The big fortune. Okay. And later on, once you, this is really amazing. These are rejects. This is a fortune cookie rejects. Yeah. Yeah. It's really, really good when you eat it. It is very crispy. Anything big, you have to eat it when it's nice and fresh. Okay. Amazing.
And then, you know, after the sushi and the sushi restaurant, I keep telling those Japanese restaurants, they put, you know, ice cream. They serve as a sweet. At the end, they put a goshi. This on top. For ice cream. Very nice. So maybe if you're doing a show next time, you get a pack and then buy a bowl of ice cream. And it's just wonderful. Another dish.
Kevin, I think Chef Hero is ready for the fortune cookie lesson.
Chef Hero wants to write a fortune to the audience?
Yeah.
And then make Chef Hero do a cookie for the audience?
Of course. He had 2 million fans, so you gotta have two. You have to have 2 million good wishes.
Good wishes. Here's the batter. Batter.
Okay.
Comes out from here and goes around and takes 4.5 minutes to bake. When they come out, it's very hot and soft. You have to catch it in 3 seconds from here to here.
Okay.
If not, it goes to this can end.
Wow. Okay.
And what happens to these? It goes to my stomach. if you're not making it in 3.5 seconds, Chef Hero, go to my stomach. Okay? Just like I love sushi.
You should eat this one.
I eat all the time. I'm still eating it. It's good. It's egg and flour and sesame seed. All sesame seed.
Okay.
Everyone has sesame seed.
So let me ask you.
Sesame seed, see?
Wow.
Can I ask you, so when we open the fortune cookie and we don't have a fortune, it's her fault.
Sometimes she might sleep.
Huh?
She's not concentrating. She's sleeping.
You're sleeping, right?
Sleeping.
Oh, no good, no good.
No good, no good.
So we have to blame somebody.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Okay. I'm going to pasta for this.
Yeah. After you fold one, then go like this and show it them. Okay?
Okay. Let me try.
Go ahead.
Sure.
Oh, whoa.
Tasty.
Let the master do it. See how fast you get it, and then you can see whether you can copy it.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the master at work right here.
Master cookie.
Master cookie.
Master Hero Sushi.
Okay. Hero, pay attention. This is how it's done. Oh, he heats. Okay. Wow. Without any gloves, it has to be hot. So you're making a nigiri, right here. He just takes it right off of there.
See, when it come out, it's very hot and soft like a bennett. Apply it to it.
Yeah.
Apply. Once you apply, you put it in the mold and let it cool out 3 seconds.
How hot is that coming off that? It's got to be what, 300? Oh! Oh!
Is it hot?
That's
Hot?
Or maybe not for him. Yeah, it's hot.
Don't scare him.
That's hot. No, his fingers are
Tough.
tough. Yeah.
Iron finger. Iron finger.
Yeah, he has iron finger. Yeah.
Oh, this is. Oh, it's a hot.
He puts his finger in the hot oil, so that's okay.
No, it's not okay.
No, he does. He does.
你做餅又係嗱，你唔夠啲火，而家我死晒火啦。
Wow.
So, Master Hero, are you ready?
Sure. I try a couple pieces, then I'm gonna put this one. Yeah, that's the one. May I try a couple
How many
pieces?
can you do?
I don't know. I need to find it out.
Let's go. Gonna work.
Blindfolded too. Blindfolded. Right
No way. I put this one.
He has a Guinness World Record for blindfold cutting.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, here's Han.
Yeah, okay.
First time making
So-
cookie.
I'm gonna keep this thing over here. All right. So looks like you first
Wait.
kill this.
Always catch this one. Don't catch it anymore. Okay, go. Okay, put the paper in the middle. Slowly. Don't both ends. No. Not right now. You cannot bend because it's too close.
Too
You
close.
go like this. Okay, see, bend.
Oh,
too
I
late.
see.
Okay, go. Go down, press down. Go down. Gotta go.
Woo, it's hot. Oh wow.
Right?
It's very
Hot.
Wow.
No, I tell you one more time, okay?
Let's stop.
Okay, now don't press it hard. Just go bend the right way, okay? Now watch me. Go out. Put the paper in there and just go tip. Not hard. Okay. Wow. Get the very end. Okay. Because they're hot. Then get closer. Go down. Yeah, go down. No, go down. You want to press.
Oh wow.
Hard, huh?
Wow,
I'll
you're
give you a
very-
glove. Better. Try quick.
Right.
Take it down.
Chef,
Yes.
today you have learned how to make a fortune.
Yes.
And Chef Kevin over there just taught you how to make them, but he has been making it for 60, his family been making here for 65 years. And this is a good fortune, and this is a big fortune also for you. And then I'm going to see what kind of fortune do you have, okay?
Okay.
Look at this. Here is the fortune. Welcome, Chef Hero. Happiness is in your heart and in your mind. welcome to Chinatown. It is my Chinatown and also your Chinatown.
Thank
It's
you.
everybody's Chinatown. And let's share the good fortune. And then we will have this is a big fortune, and this is although you got a lot of fortune for you. Okay, look at that, all of these wonderful things. Then we will eat our fortune and continue to share our good fortune with your friends and everybody in the world. Let's go. Amazing.
Yeah. So can you.
Yeah.
That's a hero.